Hi everybody, it's the Yuki once again giving you guys today's tutorial. Today I have for you the Mudae game and the Kakera system and how to use it to purchase badges and whatever you guys need. If you guys are brand new to the channel or would like to support the channel, please feel free to leave a like and subscribe and share with your friends. They might like the Mudae game too. Alright, let's get started with today's tutorial. So right here I have the Kakera system how to use. Type in $Kakera as you can see here, and you're gonna get this particular window. Now, every day you have three ways to get Kakera. First way is called daily Kakera or DK, like Donkey Kong and Mario. Type in DK or daily Kakera, the whole thing, and you're going to get a random amount of Kakera based on who you have claimed so far. They always random it. So keep that in mind. You can also earn Kakera on a player, or on a character that has been already claimed. There's going to be a diamond like this instead of a heart. If it's a diamond, click on it first to get Kakera. It's exactly the same rules as claiming a character. First to act gets the prize. First to get the diamond gets the Kakera. It's not random though. There's a certain value the way you earn. That's based on the character, so watch out for that. I'll explain that there are bonuses in just a moment. Or you can divorce a character using $divorce, like here. And it will depend on the values on the claim and likes, ranks, and other good stuff. Or you can trade Kakera if you like, or give Kakera in this case by using give Kakera, use a username at somebody, and then use the number anything up to what you have. You can also check your Kakera this same way. Right now I do not have anything because it is my test server for tutorials. I'm not gonna have any Kakera to play with. I'll show you on my other server that I will have Kakera to play with though. Now, what can you use your Kakera first for in this game? You can purchase badges. That's correct. You can have badges. So, right now, if the admin did not change any prices for badges, which they you can use bronze, silver, and gold. $bronze, $silver, and $gold. Okay? The first level is always this amount of Kakera. After that, it goes up. There's only one exception. On the first level, an admin can actually change the prices. Only on level 1. Alright? So we're going to talk about that in just a moment. What do you get for that? You get one more wishlist spot in your wish list. On a silver, you'll have a 25% chance more of somebody from your wish list being spawned into the game. And on gold, you can reduce the power of your Kakera usage using KU on gold. Now this here is for special badges, but you have to buy certain amounts of bronze, silver, and gold to access this level. I have seen it happen, like ruby, sapphire, all that good stuff. That's been done on my other server. Okay? Now, if you spend a total of 8,000 Kakera at some point, you can do something called multi-trading. Okay? I'm not going to explain multi-trading yet. because I have not been able to get that to happen for me. Okay? But let's talk about other stuff, right? Besides giving and trading, let's melt our Kakera bats right now. Actually, let's see if I can still do that on my other server. Now, this is my actual server for my Mudae game server. That is the only time I'm going to show you this. One of the few times I'm going to show you this server. Because I'm actually making a new one for you guys in particular. So, let's see how much I have right now. So right now I have 611, right? So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to use bronze unless I do DK. Let's see what I get. Oh wait, DK. Let me allow that. Okay, let's go. Okay, I got 210. That's not enough though, but that's okay. So if I had enough, I would have been doing $ bronze, and I would have entered try to buy the badge, but I'm not gonna be able to because I don't have enough. But if I did, then I can buy it, right? Now let's try to see what badges I have. Badges. I always try to do this because I don't want anybody else to do this command. Okay, so because I don't have enough, they will not let me, but that's fine. But if you did have enough, then you can get the badge and then do this. No, it's not. Profile, I think, is the correct one. There we go. The $ profile to see what you have currently. So whatever your claim size is, your Pokédex if you played a Pokemon game, how many times you reacted to this stuff, and how many Kakera you have, and how many badges you have. I have a silver 2. Okay? So with that silver 2, I get rewards. Right? Now, what if, for example, you wanted to, let's say, set up a Kakera shop, and I'm going to put that in quotation marks. What is a Kakera shop? Well, it's actually a made-up thing I just made up now. Okay, so to be honest, the Kakera shop. Let's say for example, I'm just gonna put this. They don't know that I'm doing this tutorial, so here we go. Kakera shop. So the Kakera shop. Let's say that you want to set up a Kakera shop. Let's say 100 Kakera for, let's say, a let's say you want to give a reward for 10,000, and you're gonna get like a restore claim. Like for example, let's say somebody did a bites the dust, but your server allows restore claims like mine does. You can purchase a restore claim for 10,000 Kakera, like this. But you have to give the admin the Kakera using $give Kakera at the admin tag and then amount. Okay? That's what you do. Right? Now, don't go too overboard with the Kakera shop. because that is only for those who know the stuff of Kakera. Okay, that's a Kakera shop. Okay, now the points shop, that's for something else. That's for an entirely different system. Okay, now what else can you do with Kakera? Well, guess what? There's more. $sign Kakera reward, or even more rewards with your Kakera. All right, as you guys can see here. So anything can happen, and you can get anything from your Kakera, right? So make sure to use your Kakera correctly, because you never know what the admin allows. Because admin can do a Kakera shop for your server. Now remember, I said that for my server I might do it, not the one I just showed you. I'm making a new one just to see if you guys like the idea. Okay, now bonus Kakera. Let me talk about bonus Kakera, because it has happened to me in my anime club server. So what is bonus Kakera? So sometimes you might get bonus Kakera besides the DK, daily Kakera, and that depends on how many badges you have and what types of badges you have. Depending on your combination, you can earn bonus Kakera, or depending on the size of the color of the diamond when spawned, you can get bonus Kakera just like that. But remember, first come, first serve, first click, they get. You have to get like it's a regular character, okay? Alright, that's gonna do it for today's Kakera tutorial. If you guys need more help on this, let me know in the comments below, ask questions, and make sure you guys leave a like, leave a subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time on another Kakera or another Mudae game tutorial. And next time I'm gonna cover Mudae game Waifu Arena story mode. That's gonna be interesting because that's new. That's brand new. So I'm gonna cover that next time. Alright, have fun, happy Thanksgiving everybody, and we'll see you guys on our next Mudae game tutorial.